Why are you so obsessed with Halloween?
Halloween is cool.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and it's currently Halloween. I was feeling really inspired, so I wanted to do a little DIY Halloween video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this haunted mansion, and I also used some of my leftover spray paint to make a beautiful candle holder. These are both upcycles. They were really easy, but they were really fun to make. So let me show you. To make the haunted mansion, I had to buy this little dollhouse. I bought this off of Vinted and it cost me €7. I think you can go even a little extra by buying some castles or like more extravagant dollhouses, but I wanted to keep it simple, so that's why I bought this one. I also want to shout out 2 of my fellow creators on Instagram for inspiring this idea. I bought this lantern at the thrift store for 75 cents and it was full of candle wax. So I removed all the glass and let that soak in a bit of water to clean it, and this way it's also easier to spray paint. To make sure the spray paint would hold, I made sure to fully clean the entire house before spray painting. This is actually really important. If you're gonna spray paint anything, just make sure it's fully clean first, so the spray paint will last way better. Now what I would usually do is I would put whatever I'm spray painting on top of my trash can. Since it's already dirty anyways, I don't mind getting it even dirtier. But over the years, my trash can has turned into this grayish, goldish, blackish masterpiece, and my dad requested me not to do this anymore, so I'm gonna take this outside. So after spray painting, I let that dry for a few hours, and when the lantern was completely dry, I could put the glasses back in. I love how this DIY turned out. I put it next to my pumpkin at the front of our house, so anytime anyone passes our house, you can see the beautiful Halloween decorations. And it looks even better at nighttime. Back to my haunted house project, I absolutely loved how this black color kind of looked like it came like this, but I still felt like it was missing something. Even though I liked how simple this looked, after a while I decided to add some fake spider webs using this leftover piece of fabric that I had laying around. I also found these pumpkin lights in my stash of Halloween decorations, so I decided to add those as well. They kind of make it feel like it's actually haunted from inside, and at nighttime when you turn it on, it also makes a beautiful decoration. This was exactly what it needed to make it a little bit more festive. Overall, I think I spent about 12 euros on both of these DIY projects, so that was pretty cheap for something that makes such an impression, especially the haunted house. I love how it turned out. I was kind of nervous at first, but it turned out better than I could have imagined. So let me know if you try this out. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I wish you guys a happy Halloween. I wish I had time to film more Halloween videos, but I am going on vacation soon, so I'll see you afterwards. Thank you for watching.